Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Waka TV on your smart TV in 2025 step by step. So step 1, connect your smart TV to your Wi-Fi and open your browser or the downloader app that you have. Step 2, go to a trusted source and search for Waka TV APK latest version 2025. Use a site like APK Pure or a Waka TV's official link if available. Step 3, download the APK file, and if prompted, allow the downloads from unknown sources. Step 4, go to your settings and then security and then install unknown apps. And enable the browser or file manager that you are using. Step 5, open the APK file with a file manager and click install. And wait for the installation to complete. Step 6, once you're done, open Waka TV from your apps menu and set up your preferences. And now you are ready to enjoy Waka TV streaming on your TV. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.